Okay, so let's just start. First of all, modes of reproduction. So first of all, you should know what is reproduction. So reproduction is biological process through which new organism or offspring are produced by their parents. Okay, so for example, in animals also you can see that you can say baby calf, right? Baby tiger, which is known as cub, right? They are all basically they are produced. And for example, it's not like, for example, if there is a monkey, right? So monkey will not produce a cub or a calf, right? Monkey will only produce the baby monkey, right? So how their parents look like, the similar organism is being produced. All the living organism has ability to reproduce. All the living organism, they have the ability to produce. Okay. Reproduction is an important because without it, life as we know it won't come to end, right? If there will be no reproduction, then life will be end, right? There will be no further future generation. So reproduction ensures the continuation of a species for generation. Reproduction happens in two ways. There are two ways. One is asexual, one is sexual. Asexual, over here, one parent is involved. Offspring is a copy of the parent, seen in few number of organisms, complete in a short period of time. Example are Hydra and amoeba. Okay. Sexual reproduction, two parents are involved. Offspring is similar but not a copy of the parent. Remember, very important difference. Most of the students think similar and copy, they are the same thing. No. See, copy means exact ditto, right? Similar means, for example, over here you can see these are the parents, the baby. It's not copy, it's similar. Like, of course, he is also a human being. Coming to these are the parents, mother monkey and father monkey, and the baby. It's also look like a monkey, but they are not exact same, right? They are not copy. Over here, complete in a couple of weeks or several months. Like over here, asexual reproduction, it takes very short period. But over here, it takes like months to do or weeks to produce a baby. Example, humans, frog, monkey. They are the example of sexual reproduction. Clear? Yes? No?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You will write chapter reproduction in animal, then you will write this reproduction, then you will write this, then you will write reproduction, types of reproduction or modes of reproduction.
I'm done.
Okay, so what you were doing? Now we'll be doing the next one, which is basically the asexual reproduction. Okay. So in asexual reproduction, an offspring is produced from a single parent. There are two types of asexual reproduction. One is budding and the binary fission. Okay. So budding is a parent organism forms one or more more bulges called bud. Over here you can see, right? Then the bud grows and develops by obtaining nutrition while attached to the parent. So over here they are being developed over here only. You can see this bud, right? And then when a bird develops fully, it breaks away from the parent, forming an independent and identical organism. So over here, once he get all the nutrition, once he is young enough, he will separate from the parents. And you can see the parent and he, both are same. Right, in binary fission, what happens? The nucleus of the parent organism divides into two nucleus. So this is a nucleus, it will divide into two parts. Then the cytoplasm divides into two. They again will divide into two parts, and you can say two new identical organisms are being formed. So you will draw a rough diagram as well. Okay. See, this is very important. This budding occurs in Hydra and yeast. This binary fission occurs in amoeba. Clear? So you will write asexual reproduction this and this, the difference.
No, what is the cytoplasm?
Cytoplasm is basically liquid. It's made up of liquid substance, you can say, right?
I mean, but what does it contribute?
It no, it doesn't contribute. It is basically, for example, our body is made up of muscles and fluids, right? Similarly, the amoeba is made up of the cytoplasm, the jelly-like and all that, right? In the cytoplasm, they have the nutrients, and inside the cytoplasm, you have the nucleus. Okay. So they over there you get all the nutrients and everything from the cytoplasm. Okay, they contain all the nutrition value and everything.
Okay. Ma'am, so which one occurs in human beings or neither of them occurs?
A human being is a sexual reproduction, not asexual.
Oh, wait, sorry. Yeah, you can continue. Okay, after that. Ma'am, done.
Okay, sir. After this, you will be doing the next topic, which is sexual
Ma'am,
reproduction.
just one sec. I will. Can I just write the? Can you just show it back one sec?
What you need to write?
Occurs in Hydra. Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. Now let's just do the next one, sexual reproduction. So in a sexual reproduction, an offspring is produced from two parents, a male and a female. There are four stages in sexual reproduction, very much important. First of all, production of gametes, then fertilization, then development of the embryo, and last one, the birth of offspring. Sexual reproduction happens in human and some plants and animal. We will going into details of each stage in this unit. First of all, what you will do, you will just write it like this and then you will make it like this. Okay. Male and female. Female gametes, ovum. Male gametes, sperm. Right. Then they occur. This is the process. Basically, this is the womb of female and the sperms are entering over here. So fertilization. Then these are being when this ovum is being converted, this sperm, when it get attached, when it, you can say, mix, or when it comes in contact of egg, then they form the this baby, right, the embryo, and this embryo will grow and they'll become the offspring, a baby. Clear? So you have to
What is fertilization?
fertilization is a process, right, where the sperm and the egg will contact. Okay, and when they will contact, they will
Sperm
then
and the
egg. Sperm is from the male,
sperm
and
and the ovum, right?
yeah, ovum is basically the egg.
Oh.
Okay, yeah. So it's not the actual egg, the hen's egg, no. Okay. So basically, this ovum is inside the female. So basically, this is known as egg, you can say, or you can say ovum. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, you will write it down and you will make it like this only.
I have to write the entire paragraph above.
Yes.
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 Ma'am, done.
Okay. Now after this production of gametes. So first of all, now one by one we'll study the entire stage. First is production of gametes. So sexual reproduction start with the production of male and the female gametes. Okay. So first of all, you need to produce the gametes, right? Only then they will be doing the intermixing, right? So gametes are the production reproductive single cell of an organism. So you have to remember what, because parents are involved, right? One is male, one is female, right? So male's gametes are basically the sperm and the female gametes are called the ova, which is the singular one is ovum. Gametes are produced in the reproductive organs of the organism. Okay. Then second one is fertilization. So what is fertilization? Basically, after the production
Ma'am,
of
just one sec. Can you explain that production of gametes again? You were, I think, I don't know. I think I was lacking or you were lacking.
okay. See, production of gametes means over here you have to know who is going to produce what, right? For example, that you are cooking something, right? So of course, for example, you and your sister are cooking. So over there, you are like planning to cook maybe cake. You are planning to bake a cake, right? So you bought the bread and your sister bought the cream. You bought the milk and your sister bought the sugar and all that, right? So you people bought everything, right? Now I will be listing that Swar bought this and this items and Swar's sister bought this and this item, right? So similarly, over here, you have to remember male, or like what are the gametes that male produce and what are the gametes that female produce. Okay.
Sperm and ova or ovum.
Sperm, male,
Sperm.
and ova, which is the singular, like singular one is ovum, which are the female, right? This is what you have to do. After that, it will be fertilization. Means over here now you will start cooking. So over there, this you can say fertilization will take place, like they will be doing the intermixing. They will come in contact. So after the production of gametes, the male and female gametes fuse. Fuse means they come together and get fused. This is called fertilization. The nucleus of the sperm and the ovum fuse together to form a single cell fertilizer called zygote. So once they fuse, they form zygote. The zygote contains the genetic information of the mother and the father, right? Of course, it was from the male and it was from the female. So, of course, every information the zygote is containing, right? The characteristics. This is why the offspring inherited some characteristics from the mother and some from the father, right? There are two types of fertilization possible during sexual reproduction. One is internal, one is external. In some, it is internal, and in some, it is external. Let's just see. So fusion of gametes occur inside the organism, seen in human, birds, dog, hens, you can see, right? But fusion of gametes occur outside the organism. So seen in frogs, starfish, and silkworm. Clear? So over there, you have seen that few of the their fusion takes place outside the things. Okay, so that is over here. That is the external fertilization. Sometimes it is internal one. Clear? Yes? No?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you will first write production of gamete. Then you will write this. Then we'll do the second one, fertilization.
Ma'am, can you just mark from where to where I have to write?
You have to write the entire paragraph.
Oh, okay. Ma'am, can you scroll down? Ma'am, here also I will write the entire paragraph.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you scroll down? Ma'am, done.
Okay. Now, after this, we'll be doing this. In organism where external fertilization takes place, the females lay hundreds of eggs and the male release millions of. See, internal, you know, right? But external is this, right? Over there, females will lay egg and then males will release millions of eggs. Sorry, sperms. And this is because multiple egg increase the chances of fertilization as water movement, wind and rainfall damage the gametes and reduce the chances of fertilization. The offspring have a lower chance of survival after birth due to other animals feeding on them and due to competitive for resources. Clear? Sometimes they ask you this question that why you can say in the external females are laying hundreds of eggs, right? Because out of that 100, not 100 babies are going to be there, because you know there it's an external process, right? So sometimes the wind will come, the eggs will move out, sometimes the rain will come, the eggs will wash out, right? So that's why they lays hundreds of eggs, that so that at least 10 to 15 babies they can do, right?
Okay. Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Swar? You are saying something?
Oh, nothing.